This tutorial will describe the process to sign up for School Messenger to be able to get communications and alerts from Aroostook Media School District. School Messenger is the district system to alert parents of closings, general announcements, attendance, and emergencies. Note, when you register for your School Messenger account, you must use the primary email you provided to the district when you registered your student. Once you log in with that email address, you can add additional email addresses and phone numbers. And in the preferences of School Messenger, you may be able to manage how you receive those messages. The first thing we're going to do is go from the district website into the parent portal. You'll find the parent portal at the top of all the district websites. And over here on the left, we're going to go to Communication to Families. You'll see here, this is all the information that we have. We're going to sign up for the School Messenger account. And here you'll see we're in the School Messenger website. If it's the first time you're here, you're going to sign up. And notice it says to sign up, you must use the same email address your school has on record. So here you will make your account. I already have my account, so I'm going to log in. Here you'll see the recent messages that have been sent through School Messenger. And over here, we will go to our account preferences. So if you click up on your name and go to preferences, here we are in the preferences for School Messenger, and I see my primary email address. If I would like to add a phone number or another email address to receive messages, I'm going to go to Add More. I can click Add a Phone or Add an Email Address. And here I add the email address that I want and click Save. Would you like to set your message preferences for Ev O'Neill? For that email address, this will allow you to change which settings you want to receive emails about. So here you can click on this, whether to email you or not about it, and click Save at the bottom. And here I have two email addresses in. Here I can add a phone number as well.